Hi you guys, happy Wednesday. So I'm gonna pull some cards for you guys. I did like a pre-pull, and that message that I had posted before this one, this was like based off a dream. But the crazy part about it is, like, you know how like when you have, you had a dream about something, right? And it seemed like it was something very important, but when you wake up, it's like it's hard for you to remember. Sometimes that be happening to me, and it's surrounding messages where there's some type of deception, like something to watch out for. So I be trying my hardest to like remember certain things about it, even though I may not remember like the whole thing. But I try to like meditate on it and just see like what I can get from it. But yeah, for some people, like, you could be a king of pentacles, or there could be a king of pentacles in your energy, possibly an earth sign, or somebody that could be wealthy or successful, I guess you can say. There was some form of rejection, but it kind of feels like somebody could be wanting to almost like seek out revenge because they were rejected by a king of pentacles. And it could definitely be in regards to like their possessions as well. That's what it seems like. So I'm not really sure what that's about, but I'm gonna see what else I can get for for whoever could be needing these messages. I don't know. But yeah, this Three of Swords had came out, and then we got this King of Pentacles at the bottom. That's what it looks like here. Give me some more insight here for the collective. What's this Three of Swords about? Give me some insight on this Three of Swords for the collective. What are they needing to hear? So look, we got Big Mama coming out, which is the Sun card showing up. So I feel like there was some form of rejection, possibly surrounding a King of Pentacles or somebody with status. That's what it looks like. But it's almost like there needs to be some form of rejection in order for there to be a new beginning. But I am seeing like positive results. It's like a positive outcome with Big Mama, which is the Sun card coming out. A fire sign, a masculine fire sign could be significant too. Aries, Leo, Sag. Let me see what else comes out. There's this movie on Tubi. Excuse me. There's this movie on Tubi, but and not saying this, I mean, this type of stuff does happen all the time, but there's this movie on Tubi. It's called If I Can't Have You, Nobody Else, or something like that. But it's basically like a domestic violence type of situation, like the plots of the movie. But something about that could be significant too. It's like for some people, you could have certain people in your energy that could feel that way about you. It's almost like if they can't use you or manipulate you, they'll try to make it to where like nobody else can do it. It's like a very controlling type of energy, especially when it comes towards rejection. It's like some people just don't be taking rejection well. So I'm gonna see, and look, we got the Son of Knives, which is the Page of Swords coming out. So let me see what else comes out. Tell me more about this Three of Swords energy. What's this Three of Swords for the collective? So look, we got John Horse. So there is a masculine energy attached to this Three of Swords, and we got the Son of Sticks too. So yeah, it looks like this this could be like a emperor. Well, it is an emperor energy, so I'm gonna just say divine masculine. But it looks like a divine masculine could be going through some form of rejection in order to have like a new beginning, or it could just be happiness as well. A lot of healing too from what's coming out. Let me see what else. But there's some good news. It's almost like, let's just say you've been experiencing rejection, or there was some form of rejection, right? It's actually some good news. So it's like things are working out in your favor, or there's going to be a positive outcome to some type of rejection. Look, we got Big House coming out. So it looks like a tower moment could have taken place. Let me see what else comes out. Give me some more insight on this, the Emperor and the Three of Swords. Tell me more about the Emperor and this Three of Swords energy. Tell me more about the Emperor and this Three of Swords, please. Yeah, so the big house did show up, which is the tower. Yeah, so it looks like a tower moment has occurred when it comes towards a masculine energy. They could be an emperor, but it looks like here something could have been out of someone's control too, because with the emperor card, it could be a person, like a masculine, that does, like, they could definitely have somewhat of control issues, but it looks like something's out of their control. It's like there's a need to surrender. There was something else I was going to say too, but I forgot that quick. What else are they needing to know? Tell me more about this energy that came out for the collective. Tell me more. So look, we got the 9 of Knives, which is the 9 of Swords. And look, we got the big queen showing up. And we got Big Mama. It's giving real big energy. Okay, that's what it's looking like. It's giving real big energy. We got the Empress and the Emperor showing up. The crystal selenite could be significant too, or even like those tower, like the crystal towers, you know, like the crystals that shape like a tower. Something about that could be significant too. But I'm getting more so like selenite or clear quartz tower. So this let me know that this tower moment is bringing in a lot of clarity, truth. It's like it's crystal clear. It's like you can see, it's like the things that could have been hidden are being revealed to where you can see it bright as day. But with the 9 of Swords coming out, there could be some form of like anxiety. But I'm hearing more so like agony. So I'm not really sure. Somebody could be aggy. I don't know, like getting on somebody's nerves. That's what it looked like. Let me see what else comes out. Give me some more insight. Yeah, something could be like irritating a masculine energy, but the roles could be reversed too. It's like they need to protect their peace, their happiness, but it's almost like in order for them to have peace and happiness or a new beginning, it's almost like some feelings may be hurt in the process. But it looks like it could be more than because there's actually in this specific tarot card, the Tower, it looks like it's 3 people. Yeah, it's like 3 figures falling from the tower. Some secrets, it's almost like family secrets could be coming out too with that Tower card showing up. And a father figure could be significant as well. Tell me more. Tell me more about this energy for the collective. What else are they needing to hear? What's this about? Yeah, little 8 of Cups coming out, and we got a pause. So there's like a heavy masculine energy. They could be older, or I don't know the age range, but they showing up here as an Emperor. But it looks like with the 8 of Baskets, somebody's walking away from a situation. It's no longer serving them, but it's almost like they roll. It's giving like a big eye roll too as they walk away, because whatever this is that's like in a house, this could be like someone's living situation or somebody that they live with, or like a family situation. It's almost like it could be irritating, or I'm not really sure what the issue is, but it's like I gotta go. Like I cannot take this no longer. That's what it feels like. It's almost like maybe someone's been pushed to their limit too. So let me see what else comes out. There could have been some type of private conversation too. Like a private conversation that happened. Give me some more insight here. What else does the collective need to hear about this energy that came out for them? What else are they needing to hear? Look, 6 of Sticks coming out, and look, we got the 10 of Coins showing up. So yeah, family is very significant, but it's almost like there could be some hidden issues when it comes towards family. And it's like every family has their issues, but in this case it looks like it could be affecting someone's happiness. It's almost like there could be some form of disappointment or hurt, possibly even betrayal too. That's what it looks like. It's giving like family betrayal with the 10 of Coins coming out. It's almost like a family that has, you know, like the movies, and there's one in particular. Which one was it? You know, like them really messy, and usually be like black, like a black family, but I don't know, it'd be like some deep, like, and I'm talking about something that you wouldn't even think of It's like so-and-so is really so-and-so's father, their mother. That's what it's given. Like, I don't know what that is, but it don't have to be that deep, but it's given one of them type of situations. It's like family secrets. But with the 6 of Sticks coming out here, it looks like some good news is on the way. And it looks like it's being delivered, possibly. I'm seeing it to where it's like an emperor, like a masculine energy with the 6 of Sticks coming out. So yeah. Oh, there could be some type of promotion coming in too. So whatever somebody does for work or career, it could involve promotions or them like elevating. That's what it looks like. So give me some more insight here for the collective. What else are they needing to hear? So look, the 10 of Cups came out, and we got the 9 of Baskets showing up here too at the bottom. So I'm seeing wish fulfillment, and we got the 9, 10 of Cups. So with the 10 of Cups, it's like overall emotional fulfillment, happiness, but it's not anything like toxic. I don't feel like it's any type of like, you know, family secrets. It looks like somebody's leaving that behind. It's like hidden issues or some form of deception. That's what it feels like too. So give me some more insight for the collective. What else are they needing to hear about this energy that showed up for them? What else are they needing to hear about this energy that showed up for them, please? Thank you. So we have the 6 of Baskets, which is the 6 of Cups, and a King and Queen of Cups could be significant too. But it looks like here with the 6 of Baskets coming out, this could be confirmation for a lot of people, because it looks like a situation here to where you experience some form of betrayal or hurt, right? And it's like you felt this hurt. I feel like this happened in the past. I don't feel like this happened recently for some people, because it's letting you know that what it is that you were supposed to receive, to where it's like you're disappointed about it. Spirit is saying you're gonna get it by any means, but there's a need to trust your intuition when it comes towards like these past energies, y'all. Because it's like some memories are things that could be still lingering around. That's what it feels like. For some people, you could have had some type of encounter as well with somebody of the past. This could even stem from like childhood too. But I'm seeing it to where there was a sense of like joy, or it's like a very childlike type of energy. It's like good vibes surrounding some type of encounter. It could be somebody that you met in the past, but there's a need to trust the vibes when it comes towards certain things that you don't walk away from. That's what it feels like too. So it's like basically just leaving the past behind. But you know what though, y'all, I keep hearing for the past couple of days, and this is like so random, but sometimes like as I'm waking up, like I'll hear like a specific word or like a phrase or something, but I may not know exactly what it means. But I've been hearing like dirty laundry for like seriously for the past couple of days, and I'm like, I don't know what that's about, but I ain't even look. I'ma mind my business. But some of y'all could resonate with that. It's like dirty laundry. Somebody's dirty laundry getting exposed, like for real. But I just got reminded of that because I've been trying to like not to think about it, but I'm like, if it come back, it come back. But if not, it's cool because I'm gonna mind my business. But that's what it's looking like. Listen, it's like you leaving a dirty laundry behind, or somebody done left their dirty laundry. It's like somebody could have left something behind. It's like they knew they were supposed to take it with them, but they chose not to do so. So they could be trying to come back to get it or something like that. I don't know. It's like dirty laundry that you don't want to wash. So it's like you're choosing to just like throw it away. You throwing that stuff away. Give me some more insight for the collective. What else are they needing to hear about this energy that came out for them? What else are they needing to hear? So look, we got Mother of Coins coming out. And then we have this Daughter of Sticks showing up here too. There's a need to keep going, y'all. It's like Spirit saying, don't let nobody hold you back. Don't let these past energies hold you back. Because it looks like here, There could be a lot going on behind the scenes, but it looks like some things are being revealed. I'm gonna see what this Three of Swords is. I'm gonna see what this Three of Swords it looks. So yeah, this confirmation with the Seven of Six, because this had showed up yesterday, I believe. So yeah, y'all, look, you standing on business for real, like 24/7, 365. It looks like someone's walking away from a certain situation, y'all. Like somebody is basically considered as, specifically in this one, it says a free man, but you could be the free woman too. But this is the Fool card. So new beginnings are here. So it's like you may have some type of clarity. Like I was talking about the whole clear quartz tower, like those crystal towers. Something about those could be significant too. But like truth, clarity, insight. But it's like crystal clear. Like you can see right through it, and it's given like a even with the tower, there was like a big magnifying glass, so it's like seeing the details, or reading in between the lines. Contracts could be very significant too, y'all. Be careful of any type of contracts that you could be signing, because there could be some things that you may not be able to see. But even as I'm saying that, when I was talking about the whole clear quartz, sometimes that can even, you can use that as like a magnifying thing, but it's almost like somebody's taking like a magnifying glass or like a clear quartz crystal, something that you can see through, so that you're able to see like the small details. It's like maybe something that it is that somebody did not tell you, or maybe they didn't share that information with you. But if it's any form of deception, it's like, hey, it's going to be revealed. But it seemed like somebody got some dirty laundry, like for real, because I keep hearing it for like the past 3 days, but I ain't know what. And honestly, for me personally, I don't know what it could mean, but for some people it could mean something to you. But I'm going to go. I'm going to end the read, but thank y'all very, very much for watching.